Hey everyone, today I wanted to share my thoughts on drinking water bottle with time marker. One of the things I really liked about this water bottle is that it carries 1000 milliliter of water. It has a really tight seal to avoid spilling, and this is great for when I'm on the go and don't want to worry about my water bottle leaking. When it comes to the build quality of this water bottle, then I have to say, I'm really impressed. It feels sturdy and durable in my hand, and as it's made with high quality materials, I know that it will resist leaks and cracks. The time marker on this water bottle is also a really handy feature. It has marking on the side that remind you to drink water every hour. I fill this up twice a day, and as you can see, it has marking 4 times like 8 am, 9 am and so on until 12 pm. And it's made of copolyester plastic, which is a strong shatter resistant material, so it's perfect for when I go jogging in the morning. Now let's talk about some of the drawbacks of this water bottle, and one of them is that if they could have added a strap with the water bottle, then it would have been more handy while carrying it and doing activities like jogging, gym, travel, work and more. Overall, I'm really happy with this drinking water bottle with time marker. It's helped me to increase my water intake, and it's also easy to carry and it fits perfectly in a cup holder. It has also a wide mouth for adding ice cubes, which is a definitely plus point for me. Plus, it's available in 5 different colors on Amazon. So I highly recommend you guys to give it a try.